right, welcome back, catfishing fans. This is Cat Daddy
and Son,
and we are back. What year is it now?
2021.
2021.
Thank
it is.
Goodness we're not in 2020.
Thank goodness, right? We are back out on the water. It is a beautiful, beautiful June morning. It is the first day of your summer vacation, isn't that right, pal?
Yep.
And we are just so excited to be here with you today. Hopefully we can get ourselves over top of some catfish, but stay tuned and let's see what happens, right?
See ya.
That's right, okay. So obviously we didn't have the camera rolling when they went off, but they went off at the same time. Xander's no sooner went off and then mine went off, and check that out. I think Xander's is just a little bit bigger than mine, which is pretty usual nowadays, but we want to dedicate these to Mr. Max Baumgartner, who is our 100th subscriber. So these are for you, buddy. We're going to name them and then send them off back into the water. So what do we want to call them?
Let's do in name of his name, Maxie Taxi.
Maxie and Taxi. Okay, here we go. Off and off they go. All right, let's see here. Bump it. Catfish, yeah.
We want to take this time to say thank you to Maxie Taxi Gaming for being our 100th subscriber. We finally did it.
Woohoo!
Yay!